so I can't get the camera well, but something is weird happening right now, but I'm just putting this, but let's just, oh my god, so that almost happened. So actually, what was that noise? So, nobody's making that noise right now, but I'm just going inside his car. Now let's go inside his car and just stay in that car. We're just waiting for that person to come. Explosion. It's like this. Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately. That's what it says. We're gonna wait and see. So, actually, what's that sound? So I'm just staying in this person's car, like right now, and because actually I'm just in the car right now, so it's actually nothing right now. So we're just gonna drive for a little bit. So I'm just waiting for that person to come from the Lamborghini. He's actually busy doing something. What was that noise? Wait, what's that noise? What's that noise?
Explosion imminent.
Oh my gosh.
Evacuate the facility immediately.
No way. Oh my gosh, we're gonna hurry up. Oh my gosh, hurry up with this person has to hurry up. Where's this person at? Where's this person at? Hurry up! Stop this, come on! Hurry up, you person. Hurry up! You have to drive. Hurry up! I'm hurry up! Oh shit.
10, 9, 8,
Really?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
No. 0. What in the world? So I'm just back, but yeah, it's like so we have to go, and I have to go, guys. Okay guys, so I have to go with my friend. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. So bye guys. So okay, I'm about to end this video. Before I end this video, I will give you some shoutouts. Before I end this video, we have to give you some shoutouts. So the first shout out is gonna be for GC Ria's son. Shout out to you. And the second shout out is gonna be for Glitched Caden. Shout out to you. And the third shout out is gonna be for Matuspatusfan20. And it's the only one. Shout out to you. And the fourth shout out is gonna be for Demon 18. Shout out to you. Okay guys, that's all for today, so I'm gonna have to end this video. And we'll see you in the next video. And we'll see you in next video Tuesday.